The forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's go and see what the charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about EURUSD. Now, why do I want to speak about EURUSD? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, first from a technical and then from an order flow perspective to see what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. We're also currently running a big discount for the mentorship program. The link is in the description, and you have the possibility also to get a refund of the mentorship program price directly in your trading account, since we have partnered with the forex broker Blueberry Markets. So you have a massive discount and you can get a full refund in your trading account. It's never been this easy to join, so I suggest you go and check it out. Now, here on the monthly time frame, what do we have? Now, here on the monthly, we can see how the market has just printed this overextended M pattern. Now, in general, after the creation of an overextended M pattern, what you want to see is the market create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at the previous support turned resistance. So looking at the market here from a monthly perspective, what we can expect is a rejection to the upside and for the market to go and complete this overextended pattern at the neckline, which is this previous support turned resistance. So on the monthly, everything seems quite bullish. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now here on the weekly, we can see how the market has just printed a nice impulse to the downside, and at the moment we have just started this correction. Now, if we will actually create the move to the upside that we want to see from the monthly time frame, here in the weekly, we will encounter a level of resistance. The first level of resistance that we will encounter is this previous weekly support turn resistance here that we do expect this market to go and test. So a first upside target here on EURUSD by looking at the weekly time frame is this zone here. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestions for new videos. Dropping down on the daily, what do we have? Now here on the daily, what we can see is that first of all, the market is testing at the moment strong support and rejecting it to the upside. In fact, we did create this W formation here. After the creation of a W, what you expect is for the market to go and complete the pattern at the previous resistance turn support and then to reject the area to the upside. And in fact, after the creation of this W, the market went and tested this previous resistance turn support, which is also the neckline. And since then, it has been rejecting this area to the upside multiple times. In fact, we can clearly see how at the moment we are still above this support and rejecting it to the upside today as we are speaking. So there is definitely the possibility to see the rejection to the upside that we already wanted to see from a monthly and weekly perspective. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing, so the biggest speculators, we can see how with the last report, net positions have actually increased quite a lot. We went from having minus 23k net positions up to having minus 8.2k net positions with 11.1k shorts closed with the last report and 3.8k longs getting opened, reaching 194k long positions and 203k shorts. So longs are getting increased and shorts are getting massively decreased, and this has already happened for 2 reports in a row, meaning that inside of this area we're seeing longs getting added and shorts getting closed from an institutional perspective, which aligns perfectly with what we already wanted to see from our technical view of this pair. So everything at the moment is looking quite bullish. So how we will be approaching this potential short-term longing opportunity here with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best timeframes are the intraday timeframes, so 4-hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, at that point, we will be adding EURUSD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete the pattern at the previous support and resistance that we have identified on the weekly time frame as a first upside target. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then every single day you get a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies in live market. And you also get your questions answered every day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it.